David Ainsley, tell me something I don't know.
All right, thank you very much. Father's Day is Sunday, and we have all the gifts for the grill masters in your life that you're going to love.
And home contractor Skip BEDELL is back with more. Skip.
Guys, barbecueguys.com is the one-stop shop for everything outdoor living, not
This is
just
amazing, the
barbecues.
stuff they brought.
They got everything. Check this out. So this is the Weber Traveler, folds up, great for your tailgate, portable. But speaking of portable, I love this. This is the Everdor Cube. This is a portable charcoal grill. Watch
That's a
this.
grill?
It's a grill. So watch this. Look, charcoal on the bottom.
Cute.
You have a little pan here where you put your food in, take your food with you, and even a cutting board on top.
That's great.
Unbelievable.
So how do you start the charcoal on fire?
So this is the Luft. I love this. This is Luft portable charcoal lighter. Gets super hot with a rechargeable battery. Will spark up your charcoal.
You put the charcoal in the bottom, and then you light it with that.
Absolutely, light it with a Luft. Yep,
Great.
guys. The Uni Coda.
Love
This
them.
is like this is a 16-inch gas pizza oven. Works on a propane tank. Portable. This will cook a pizza in 60 seconds. Dad is gonna love that.
That's awesome.
Take it with you to the sporting event wherever.
Sometimes you need a pizza in less than a minute, though.
But
Oh,
you're-
yeah.
If you're
Yeah,
at the
so if you're
tail-
really
you're
hungry, you
tailgating
might
at
need it in-
University of South Carolina,
in 30
you would be
seconds.
the biggest hit.
Yeah,
You have
so
this.
look at it. I'm going to come to that.
Okay.
So this is the Drip Easy. I love this thing. So this is a tub that you take with you, marinate all your food. You can carve on top of it, and when you're done, it's collapsible and you throw it in the trunk.
I love that.
Perfect,
Great.
right? You put your food in here. This is a bag to keep it from dripping and all your marinade and everything. Unbelievable from Drip Easy.
Very
And coming
handy.
back to your griddle, so this is the Weber
This is
griddle.
what I want
right?
for
I know.
Father's Day.
So yeah, Doocy kids, pay attention. This is what your dad's been asking me about.
Mrs. Doocy
This is-
already
yeah,
knows.
This is the gas-powered griddle. Great for smash burgers. You can make bacon, egg, pancakes, everything right on the griddle.
So, and the brilliant thing is, let's say this thing over here needs a little more cooking. You just put that
That's
on there
it,
and the
yeah.
radiant heat, and you got burgers.
And the grease runs off to the side. You can never go wrong with the
No
griddle.
fuss, no
Very
muss.
popular trend right now.
Okay.
And of course, everybody knows about the Kamados. These things are great. This is a portable charcoal Kamado, so you could take this with you to the beach, to the tailgate, whatever.
adorable.
Isn't it really cool? So you can bake, you can grill everything inside of this because it retains the heat really nicely. Portable, guys.
Oh, I love these salt
Heavy
and
but
pepper
portable.
things. Yeah, no kidding.
And this is cool. This is the Ninja. So I like this because it's electric, or you can use it with pellets. How cool is that? So you got your choice. You can smoke, grill,
Oh.
bake, and when you plug in the electric, you have an air fryer.
What?
Yep. Plug in the electric. You got a convection air fryer inside of
You
there.
can have fries.
Everything. Air fry cooking is great, and it's, of course, it folds up, it's portable. And again, Barbecue Guys is not just barbecues. They have great stuff like these awesome hammocks, even the string lights. Everything you see here, smokeless fire pit.
festive.
I mean, what great gifts for Dad, right? He's gonna
Steve.
love everything here.
All right, if Kathy's watching, which one do you like the best?
No, she
This
knows.
is the one.
She and I had the conversation about a griddle because we've got the big grill, but
Yeah.
sometimes you just need a griddle.
Where are you going to
man.
put it on your back porch, or you take it to a
Yes.
football game?
Man, if you
No, I'm gonna just use it every meal.
you put some
You can do
bacon,
and eggs,
pancakes,
hash browns, toast.
everything.
I'll
Come
jump
on
in my
over.
car and I'll come over.
I like the smash burgers. You got the smash burger thing,
That's
right?
really nice. Very
Yeah.
nice. So
Thank you.
check out skipbedell.com or barbecueguys.com.
One last thing.
BBQ guys.
Today, very important. Today is the last day to order for delivery by Sunday for Father's Day. So if you want to get anything, order it today to get it there for Father's Day.
Fantastic. Thank you, Skip.
All right, thanks, guys.
Very nicely done.